So our objective for today, I can, that means you, solve an equation using a replacement set, okay? So what we're going to be looking at today is first, what in the heck is a replacement set? We got to find that out first. And then we're going to use that replacement set to solve an equation, okay? So a replacement set looks very similar to a solution set that we'd use. So let's put some numbers here. Thank you, Ms. McLeod. No ice. Okay. Let's say I have 2 plus x equals 5. The question, your directions would say, which number in the replacement set would make this equation true? Which number in this replacement set would make this equation true? Paisley? 3. X is 3. It gets tougher. Okay. So when we're looking at a replacement set, and we're going to keep using this same replacement set, let's look at example 1. Okay. We want to make sure we understand that a replacement set is a set of numbers that may be used to solve an equation by replacing the variable. I'll move it up in a second. Example 1. We're still using that same replacement set. Ain't nothing changed. Two x equals 8. Which of these numbers would replace my x to make this equation true? KD? 4. X is 4. Remember, whenever I see that coefficient beside that variable, what operation am I doing? Multiplication. Multiplication. Good job. Example 2. I'm about to get rid of this page, guys. Example 2. Using that same solution set. $160 divided by x equals 40. This isn't as easy anymore let's talk about how we solve this. What are you thinking, Hayden? What's the answer? So let's test it out. Hayden said, let's test 2 out. Now remember, we are blessed enough to be able to use our calculators with this unit. So with my calculator here, I'm going to put in 160 divided by 2. Does that equal 40?
No.
Nope, so it can't be 2. And 80 is not equal to 40. Whenever you see, guys, look here. Whenever I see an equal sign with a line through it, that means does not equal. Okay? You want to make sure we know that there. Elian, tell me what you're thinking. Yeah, X is 4. Let's test it. 160 divided by 4 is, didn't mean to do that. 40. Very good. So X is 4 here. You were. Example 3. $15x equals 45. Remember, our replacement set is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which number could we replace with that x to make this equation true? Give everyone else time, buddy. Give everyone some time to look through it. I think it's 2. Okay, so let's see if Ms. Neville's right. 15 times 2 equals 30. Is 30 equal to 45?
No.
No. Ms. Neville thinks it's 3. 15 times 3 is 45. To find our answer, star statement. Because it's always easier. I remember being a math student like you. It's always easier to do it with the teacher. But when you get on your own, you're like, oh, snap. So let's talk about what we do so we can use our notes to solve this. Let's talk about what we do here. To solve, replace the number for your variable. So instead of writing that x, I would multiply this by one of the numbers in my replacement set. If she has to say something for it to you, you and I are going to have a conversation. All right, so let's get to some of our guided practice for today. Let's get to, all right, so we're getting into our independent practice here. Ms. Neville's going to zoom in a moment so you can see, really see what you're doing here. Yes? Huh? Can someone kill it for me, please? Hush, guys. All right, so I'm going to zoom in on the first 4 to make sure everyone can see them. And let's make sure as a class that we know what operation we're doing with each of these problems. 7 times x equals 210. 100. What operation is that? 100 divided by x equals 10. 240 times x equals 12,000. Remember, you can use your calculators. 150 plus x equals 190. Make sure you got that solution set written down. And 1 through 4 really well. I'm about to go down to the next 4. Number 5, 60 divided by x equals 1. Number 6, 12 times x equals 960. Seven and 8. X divided by 10 equals 7. And number 8, 13,830 minus x equals 13,810. Do you have this written down, Mr. Ortega? Are you getting it down? I'll give it to you when the class is done, okay? What you need, buddy? All right, you may get to work. I want you to use your notes, use your calculator. Did you need to see some? You can go sit with Miss McLeod today. I would prefer it. Come see me if you need to see these questions. Let's go.